Welcome, my name is Dorota Trupp. I'm a qualified nutritionist. Today I would like to introduce you to one of my favorite breakfast on a run recipe, Oats and Nuts Smoothie. This is a great breakfast when you are obviously on a run and not having enough time in the morning to commit to cooking. It can be also prepared in the evening, but we know that fresh is best, and I encourage you to spend 5 minutes in the morning and get this ready. You can take it to work in blender, consume it on its way there or while you are sitting at your desk. Blended oats provide steady supply of energy, fiber, and are known to stabilize your blood sugar levels, lower cholesterol when consumed regularly. So great to health benefits. Every time when you use grain though, as a base of your meal, I would not forget to balance the meal with protein and fats for better digestion and optimal nutrition. And this is what I have done with this dish. I've chosen ingredients such as nuts and coconut kefir to add extra protein, fats, as well as goji berries to add antioxidants, vitamin C, and splash of beautiful flavor. So I'll be using rolled oats that I soaked overnight in water. You can also pre-cook them or just pour hot water on them maybe 5 minutes before you start putting it together so they soak and are easier to digest if you do it that way. I will be using a blend of nuts. I've got some almonds there and some cashews. I will be also using fresh fruits, and I know a lot of people use dry fruits, but I'm trying to stay away from too much dry fruits. Best is always fresh. However, I do use goji berries because they are very difficult to get fresh. So that's the option that I have here for you. And I will be using coconut kefir. So this is fermented coconut milk that is abundant in probiotic bacteria that is great for your gut health and great for your immune system function. So all what I need to know with this dish, it's very easy. You literally mix it in blender. It doesn't take you longer than 5 minutes in the morning when you do that. So I'm just putting oats and nuts together and combination of beautiful berries. So that's when I'm gonna get a lot of antioxidants and vitamin C from, and my coconut kefir that is just beautiful and gorgeous in flavor. Now you can mix your goji berries right away or you can add them later. It's really up to you how you would like to have it done. I'm gonna use them later. I'll blend those ingredients together. So now if you would like to take it to work as a smoothie in a blender, blend all of your ingredients, but I'm going to serve it to you today, so I'll leave some of the ingredients unbroken in one piece. That might be just enough. There you go, look at the color, it's amazing. So that's oats, rolled oats, mixed with coconut, kefir, berries, and we're adding some goji berries. And actual berries, just so we remember what goes in. There you go. And that looks amazing. It's very healthy. It's a balanced meal because it will have not only carbohydrates and the complex carbohydrates, but also proteins that come from the nuts and the coconut kefir. Have a look at that. How do you like it? I can't wait to eat it. There you go.